To make your own lotion, you can use raw shea butter and olive oil. First, add 1/2 cup, 110 grams of raw shea butter to a glass bowl or jar. Then, fill a pot with 3 to 4 inches, 7 to 10 centimeters of water, and place the jar or bowl in the pot. Bring the water to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Stir the shea butter until it's completely melted. Next, add 2 tablespoons, 15 milliliters of olive oil to the melted shea butter and stir everything together. Pour the mixture into a clean bowl and chill it in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes or until it starts to harden. Finally, take the hardened lotion out of the fridge and blend it with a hand blender to combine the ingredients. Transfer your lotion to a container with a lid, where it should stay good for 3 to 6 months. You can also make your own lotion using beeswax. First, add 1/2 cup, 140 grams of beeswax, 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of olive oil to a glass bowl or jar. Then, pour in 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vitamin E oil, and a few drops of essential oil to give your lotion a nice smell. Fill a pot with 3 to 4 inches, 7 to 10 centimeters of water, and place the bowl or jar in it. Bring the water to a gentle boil and stir the ingredients as they melt. While they're melting, heat 1 cup, 240 milliliters of distilled water in a jar using the same pot. Then, pour the water and melted ingredients into a large bowl and let everything cool for 20 minutes or until it starts to harden. Finally, use a hand blender to blend everything together. Transfer your lotion to a container with a lid and store it at room temperature for 2 to 3 months.